The power of networking is to obtain information to help you change your situation. Listen, y'all, networking is very powerful. Let me just give you a quick story. So, at my job where I worked, there's this lady that I believe it was a 1 day assignment for her, and she was actually a teacher. And so we met and we were talking for a little bit. And just in about 10-15 minutes in, we have realized there's so much similarities between us in terms of business drive, mindset, and some other similar situation which I do not want to disclose. But we were so similar, and we decided to keep the communication going. And so we were talking, and I had some concern, and we were talking back and forth, and it so happened that she threw some ideas on my side that blew my mind. And I'm like, why haven't I thought this way? What I'm trying to say, sometimes we feel like when we go among people, we feel like sometimes they're trying to take information from us. And I'm not saying that's not the case. But sometimes if we can piggyback from each other's idea that will be out there, then we will be able to go out there and know how to function and also try and test things, because you just never know. What I'm saying is, don't be one of those introvert person that feel like you always want to keep it in. You don't want to talk to this person. But you should go out there and you should network, because you never know who knows someone that can help you. We don't want to have this closed mind where we're just all, to ourselves and speaking to friends and family, because truth be told, friends and family aren't going to get you where you want to go. You have to go on the exterior side. You have to outsource, right? Because those are what's going to help you. I'm so happy that I met her, because at the end of the day, we both shared information with each other, and then I'm able to take it and do something with it, because it's all about the suggestion, the ideas. So don't be afraid to brainstorm. Don't be afraid to network with people. Yesterday I also I was a speaker for a woman event, and we were just talking. My topic to speak upon was mental health and overcome business challenges. And just connecting with these young ladies, we all have so much similarities, hiccups and challenges of what we go through. And each of them had their solution. And you know something? When I thought I knew it, they too shared information with me in different approach that I can take and implement to help me whenever these situations come upon me, if you will. So networking isn't a bad thing. In fact, this world that we live in now, it's all about collaboration. You can see the richest get rich, the poor get poor, right? We have to connect with the right people. We have to get into the right rooms, right? And so collaboration is powerful. If you're not collaborating, sometimes you always just want to, it's just about what I'm making. It's about self. Sometimes it's not just about self. Sometimes you have to know how to teamwork. And once you teamwork with the right person, as long as everything is in alignment, you should be good to go. But I wanted to encourage you that, listen, collaborate, get into the right rooms. Don't be afraid to network, because information changes situation. And I wanted to leave that with you today, okay? Again, information changes situation. So don't be afraid to get into the right room, so that can help to change your situation. You take care now.